This is from the Velvet Underground. Here comes the countdown. Gone, gone, gone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, baby, baby. Well, she comes up on Cripple Monday. Then I got my eyeballs on my knees. I mean, I thought they were for walking. Riding for hours with a mad Mary Williams. I said she never understood a word from me, but I still know that she cares about me. I heard her call my name, though I know that she's long dead and gone, and still I don't feel the same. For when I woke up this morning, mama, I heard her call my name, and then my mind was broken. Here comes again the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got my eyes wide open. Said she comes up from the dead on Cripple Monday, walking up to my stairs on her knees. I don't know why she's not walking. Robbing fowls with her, that mad Mary Williams. I said she never understood a word from me, but I still know, I know she cares about me. I heard her call my name, though I know she's a ghost and she's long dead and gone, and I don't feel the same in my mind. My mind